Galesburg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Frankie the Baker. And what are we doing today?
We're making peach upside down cake.
Say that 3 times fast.
I can't. We got butter, we got brown sugar, and peaches all cut up. So we're gonna start with our sugar, make a batter, a couple eggs, mix this up. Put your lemon juice and zest in there also. And create a little milk. You wanna add your baking powder and a little pinch of salt. And you mix this up for a little bit, maybe a minute or 2. And you're gonna add your flour, sifted. All right, so now you created a cake batter, which is I had ready. The pan is buttered. You're gonna add your brown sugar, and you're gonna move it around. Peaches.
What'd you do to the peaches?
I ground them up a little bit with brown sugar and butter. Just put it on the bottom. Now we're gonna put the cake batter in. And you're gonna bake this, Lily, at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. All right, so we got the 10 minutes out of the oven. You're gonna flip it upside down, and you're gonna watch all the magic moving out.
Wow, that's cool.
A couple here, a couple there. You can use any kind of fruit you like.
Yes.
All right.
This looks delicious.
And that's it.
If you'd like to try this at home, head to our website, newspell.com. You'll find the recipe there. I love this. Let's try it.
Let's go.